Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and I have another thrift and estate sale haul for you. This week I went to some new thrift stores that were like really down south San Diego, and I found some really cool things. I also went to an estate sale closer to my house that had a lot of vintagey old stuff, so found some pretty cool things. I was on the hunt for old patterns, so I found this really cool one here of little girls, and I don't know these. Oh, this is 1972, so I thought that was pretty cool. Here's another one, and it looks like it's from the 70s as well. 68 actually. And there's this one here. It's probably this is from 67. I want to do a retro themed junk journal as well as a sewing themed junk journal, so stay on the lookout for those. And this one is 68 as well. And this one looks like a 60s one. 68, yeah. So these were really cool. And then I found this bingo game. Doesn't look very vintage, but I really like using bingo cards in my junk journal, so that was cool. And then I found this old Trivial Pursuit of the 1980s. I haven't opened them up yet even to see what they look like, but that'll be cool. It's a huge set of cards. And then I found this 1961 National Geographic, and I thought this would be great for my travel themed junk journals. So then I found this cute little old hearts card game. I thought this would be great for Valentine's Day. I picked up 2 Reader's Digest books. I think these make great journals or journal covers, so I'm going to be doing that. I think this one I will do for a botanical theme, and I'm not sure what I will use this one for yet, but I just thought they had great covers on them. And then I found this paper pad, not vintage at all, but I just love the colors. It's by Paper Studio, and it has lots of purples and turquoises, blues. It looks like there's some things in there that don't necessarily go in there, but that's fine. I always need more, could always use more Christmas paper. I found this set of vintage Christmas wrapping paper that would be nice for Christmas. And then I found these 2 books. They're National Geographic, Animals in Danger, and Zoo Babies. And they are from 1978. So I thought they were super cute. If I go to do, oh, look at that. So cute. I think my daughter might even like these. I'll probably save them for her because she is a zoo major, so I'll probably save those for her. And then I found the Velveteen Rabbit, which I thought would be great for Easter time. Some really pretty illustrations in here. And the last thing I found at the thrift store was this bag of stamps, and it has vintage images. So here's one with a little boy and a little girl sitting in a swing. And then here's a Christmas stamp. I don't know what, oh, these are Stampington and Company. I've never heard of that brand. Here's the Angel Post, another stamp image. And then a Christmas Santa image. And then here is one that says Happy Holidays. And this one says Merry Christmas. So that was a fun find. And then I found at the estate sale just a few items. This family evidently did a lot of traveling, so I found a lot of cards that they'd picked up at various locations. They're really cool illustrations. Oh, that was just in there. That's like a little, oh, that's fun. I didn't even know these were in there, but they're like flattened out little plants. So those would be great to use in my botanical journals. And then here's this picture. I think it's of Paris, maybe. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's in Paris. There's that. And then here is another image. And I'm not sure what that one is. Place Vendôme. That's in France, I think. And then this one is Le Sacré Coeur. And I'm assuming that's in France as well. Here's another image from France. Yeah, La Rue Vieille du Temple. I took French in high school, junior high, and college, so I don't remember a lot of it. Here is another French card. That's super cute. And then this envelope is really neat. And here's another one. This one is in Paris as well. The canal, Saint Martin Canal. And then this is Notre Dame in Paris. And then this one here. So I may include these, a couple in my travel themed junk journals. I may also as well do other French themed junk journals. I did some French themed before. They were like a shabby chic sort of French theme, but I may try and do like a more vintage French. We'll see. And then these are super cute. I may do little mini junk journal, like vintage junk journals with these, because the pages are like a cardboard. So they're a little bit thicker, so they would be great to do as a cover. I just thought these are super cute. They're little, it says they're a Christian educational book for 2 to 3 year olds. It's adorable. And I got these for 25 cents. I'm not sure what the date is. I don't think it has a date. 1955. But I thought those were super cute. And then there's this one, Y. I think this one doesn't have all the pages because there's only 4 in there. And then this one is Who. So cute. And then here is a super old golden book. I think this is the oldest one I have found. This is 1956. Well, maybe not. I'm not sure. But it does have the price up here. And I had a subscriber or somebody watch my video that explained a lot of the golden book, like details that I didn't know about. But I thought this was really cute. If I do like a baby themed junk journal for baby gifts or showers or things like that, I thought this would be great for that. And then the last thing I found was this typewriter paper. It's a 20 pound, and it was like a really thin, almost like tracing paper, but I love the texture of it. And I've had some of this before that I found at a thrift store, and it takes like tea dyeing really nicely. So I went ahead and picked that up because I think I got it for like 50 cents. And it seems like it has quite a few sheets left in it. So, all right. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Head on over to my Etsy shop this week. I have new junk journals in there that are cactus succulent theme. Great for the summer and the hot right now. I hope that you guys are having a great summer and you're surviving the heat. If you have that heat, right now we have 105 yesterday. It was yuck. We are not used to that. We're used to the 72 and sunny all year long. So anyway, that's fine. We always need a little bit of the summer in the summertime. So I hope you're having a great summer. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.